In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn about Shopify. We'll use two official resources that complement each other perfectly: the Shopify Help Center for quick, actionable answers, and Shopify Academy for structured, skill-building courses. Start by heading to help.shopify.com. This is Shopify's Help Center, and it's packed with step-by-step articles on everything from setting up your store to taxes, shipping, payments, themes, and apps. When the page loads, use the search bar if you have a specific question, or simply scroll down to browse categories. Scrolling is great when you're just getting familiar with what's available. You'll see clear sections that group topics logically. Think products, orders, customers, sales channels, and more, so you can jump straight into whatever you're trying to learn. Open articles in new tabs to compare guidance, and check the related articles at the bottom for deeper dives. Many guides include screenshots and callouts, so follow along carefully and bookmark useful pages for later. If you're brand new, look for setup or onboarding sections. They're designed to walk you through the essentials in order. As you browse, pick topics that match your immediate goals. For example, if you're trying to improve fulfillment, read through shipping and delivery articles. If design is your focus, explore themes and customization. The Help Center is updated frequently, so note any last updated dates and revisit key pages as Shopify releases improvements. Next, go to shopifyacademy.com. This is Shopify's learning hub with free courses and tutorials ranging from beginner to advanced. It's perfect when you want a more guided end-to-end learning experience. You may be prompted to sign in to track progress, but you can preview a lot of content without diving too deep. Look for video lessons, downloadable resources, and checkpoints that help you apply what you learn. Select Explore Catalog to see everything in one place. From here, filter by level, topic, or role to zero in on what matters, whether that's store setup, marketing, analytics, or growth. Check course duration so you can plan your study time, and add items to your list to build a simple learning path. Turn on captions if that helps, adjust playback speed to match your pace, and pause to take notes as you go. Finally, make full use of the free courses and tutorials from beginner to advanced. Start with foundational topics to build confidence, then layer in specialized skills like email marketing or product sourcing. A helpful routine is to watch a short Academy lesson, then reinforce it by reading the corresponding Help Center article and taking one practical action in your store. Keep a running checklist, revisit tricky sections, and celebrate small wins as you go. That's it. Use the Help Center for quick answers and Shopify Academy for structured learning. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next one.